Alright guys, let's make my 15-minute spaghetti sauce. It is super easy. So you're going to go ahead and grab a skillet and place some lard or olive oil or butter in it, a couple tablespoons. You're going to heat this up and place in your chopped onion and garlic cloves. And you're going to cook those in the lard or olive oil or butter for about 2 minutes until they are translucent, which means you can kind of see through them. You will actually see the color kind of change. And then you're going to put in your little pinch of red pepper flakes and let that go for about 1 minute until it releases the scent and you smell the aromatics of all the stuff coming together. Then you're going to go ahead and place in your 1 can of tomato paste, and you're going to stir this quickly for about 1 minute. In the meantime, you're going to go ahead and grab your sauce and pour that in as well. And you're going to go ahead and just stir it around, and you can add in your other spices like salt and pepper, basil and oregano, and if you wanted to do green pepper, you can throw that in at any point as well. I usually do not add in the green pepper, but you can. Or mushrooms, all kinds of options you can do. Then you're going to let it bring to a boil and let it simmer for a few minutes. And then you're going to use the immersion blender to make it nice and creamy and smooth. If you do not have an immersion blender, you can leave it semi-chunky with the onions, no big deal. Then pick your favorite noodles and you have homemade spaghetti sauce.